Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create an Argos online account. In order to create an Argos online account, you have to open up a browser, or you could go and install the application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now on the web address bar, go ahead and type in the link, that is www.argos.co.uk. This is going to take you to the official page. Now here, go ahead and accept all the terms and conditions, all the cookies, and then you need to create your account. So click on account from the top right hand side corner. It's going to take you to the sign in or sign up interface. Since you don't have an account, scroll down a bit and go to the link that is register. When you tap on the register button, it's going to take you to the page where you have to go and register. So type in the email address that you wish to go ahead and register with, and click the continue button when you're done entering your information. Now you have to go ahead and select your detail, that is the title, your first name, last name, mobile number. That is optional. If you don't want to do it, so just leave it blank, and the postcode. When you've done that, you need to go ahead and click on save and continue. Next, you have to go to your account info, which means that creating your username, creating your password, as well as some sort of security questions. Now quickly enter in all of these information. So now it's time for you to go ahead and create a password, so make sure to go through the criteria as well. And then go ahead and click on save and continue, located right at the bottom, and here you go, that you have successfully created your Argos account. Now you can go and explore it, and that's how you can create your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.